Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to be continuing to declutter my master bedroom, my master bathroom, and my closet. So today I figured I would go inside the closet and let's spend 15 minutes in there. I have a lot of accessories and I have this great big box. I don't know what to do with. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Let me show you my closet. So this is what the inside of the closet looks like. This is what I'm going to be focusing on right here. I do have stuff down here, but I don't think I'm exactly ready to do that yet. That might be tomorrow's task, but today is going to be all that. So let me get it on the bed and let's get started. So this is my box of stuff. I haven't actually looked at this thing in forever. Got my timer, got it set for 15 minutes. What I'm probably gonna do is dump it all out and just go from there. So let me put this somewhere that I can see it. Whew. All right. Honestly, didn't really feel like doing this today, but you can do anything in 15 minutes. So, here we go. So let me go ahead and just start dumping everything off here. Ooh, plastic bag, that might come in handy. Just kind of removing all the things from inside. I had a tendency at one point to put all my jewelry in a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag. So, I'm having little things come out. So I have a lot of little plastic bags. Now I actually have a jewelry organizer hanger thing that I will probably bring out here and start to fill up. Some of this stuff I haven't seen in forever. And now I'm like, why? Why haven't I seen this forever? I would totally wear this. Okay. Plastic bags for days. So one of my red beaded necklaces actually broke, and I have a bunch of those little pieces in here. So I know what I'm going to use this bag for. It's going to be my trash bag. And I have a ring that my aunt made for me. All right, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. Take this trash bag, nothing in it. I'm going to dump all these little beads out. Realistically, while I would like to save the beads, and I'm sure some of you are like, save the beads, you can use them for something. I know I'm not going to do that right away. So, yeah. Nice little bracelet. I'm going to put that off the side. Let's get rid of these empty bags. Empty, empty. I don't know what to do with this box now. Empty box. Since I have a jewelry holder, I'm probably not going to save the boxes and things like that. Oh, that's kind of nice. Here I am finding stuff I didn't know I had. Ulta bag, receipts. I had receipts. Throwing those away. All right, so I'm gonna have to put that ring away. Okay, let me take all these things from out of their bags. Well, that's kind of cool. I like it. This one looks really delicate. I might save that in the bag. This necklace was made for me for my wedding. And I still have it. It's basically just a bunch of beads. My husband's the sentimental kind. I'm not really sentimental like that. So just in case, I better keep this one in the bag. All right, let's go hardcore into things I don't want. I got this bracelet. It's like two-toned. I can't seem to wear stuff like that. So I'll probably donate this. And I have this blue, like, snake skin. It doesn't fit on my wrist. This was, actually, this looks better on this. So this was one of my, is this the one? No, it's not. What is, so this is a bunch of necklaces. No wonder why I had it all together. I did have one that was a bunch of colored necklaces that were all like connected. And I used to wear that constantly because it was just so easy, went with everything. All right, so here's another necklace, bracelet, bracelet, bracelet. My husband gave me this for one of our anniversaries. I know it's hard to see that, I'm sure. Okay, well, it's hard to see, but I put that away from everything else, and a bracelet. So I have lots of bracelets. I have this great big wood thing. All right, well, I'll get that in a minute. So here's a Dickie. So have you ever seen one of these? Basically, it makes it look like you have a shirt on underneath a shirt. I have, if I remember right, I have 3 of them here. This one I probably need to iron. I don't really iron, so I'll figure that out. Scarf. Scarf. I like scarves. 2 headbands. Hair thing. That has to go with the hair stuff. This is a hair net. It doesn't look like it, but it is. I promise you. It does. It's nothing weird. It's a hair net. Just netting. I have my white gloves. And my snood. And a hair flower. All right, so I think I need to go get my jewelry organizer. Let me go grab that. This may be all I actually do. It's just jewelry. Be right back. Hi, so this is a little jewelry organizer. Let's see if I can get back on it. All right, so basically it just has little pockets in it that I can put stuff in. Here's all my bracelets. So let's see, this goes in size. So better put the wood down at the bottom. What other big ones do I have? I guess I don't have too many other big ones. The nice thing about this is that each necklace or bracelet can have its own little pocket. That way they don't actually get caught up. But I have a little stand for the more delicate ones. There's my pearls. They're not real pearls. All right, so I feel like I want to put things in that box, but that's where we got into this problem, huh? Black bracelets here. White bracelets here. When I get things, I tend to get things in... I go through phases where I get stuff with the same colors. Let's take this out. Let's put my bracelet down here. Yeah, that's better. This out. I'm taking... I know you can't see this, but... I think for now, what am I going to do with this box? I'm going to put my Dickies inside the box. I don't know. These I feel like I want to put back in the bags. That's what I should put. That's what I should put in the box. All right. So let's see if I've kind of already taken care of all the jewelry. I can put this away. I have 5 minutes, so I go put this away. All right, here's another box. So with this box, now that I'm thinking about it, because I have a lot of like accessories and hats and things, I think I'm gonna put those in the box because I don't want my white gloves to get dirty. Here's another pair of white gloves. I don't want them to get dirty, and so maybe that's where I'll put them. And I have belts. I like this idea. Put all my belts in one spot. This is my scarf box. So this is where I put all my scarves. All right, doing good, doing good. This is like a clip-on hair. I have no idea why I have this. None. This is my silk scarf that I use when I wrap up my hair. So I don't want to necessarily put that in my box because I don't have too many silk scarves. All right, I'm gonna go put these away and let's see what else I have. I have 3 minutes. Okay, this box. I have no clue what's in this box. Boxes of boxes. Oh, it's a hummingbird. I have no idea why I have this hummingbird. This, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. I might put this with the Christmas stuff maybe, and then, I don't know, hang it on my tree. Empty bag. Oh. Oh, whoa, 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 what's this? Is this like a tie clip thing? Oh, it is. Oh, how exciting is that? Okay, I find it exciting because I've kind of been into brooches lately, those pins. Oh, is this another one? It's like a tie clip, like, wow. I'm so glad I went through this box. All right, empty box, gone. Empty box, gone. Haha, look at me. Empty box. bag, empty bag, bag, empty bag. All right, I got a belt. I don't know if I'm gonna wear that. Empty box. It's a little itty bitty box with nothing in it. I had a box of nothing but really bags and boxes and 2 pins. Oh, put that back in. So, but the cute thing is now I also found these cute little bags that I can go and put my pins in. So, and a hummingbird. So that's not going back in at all. I'm gonna go put these pins away with my other pins. Oh, 21 seconds. So here's my delicate necklace stand, and that one that my husband gave me for our anniversary is gonna go right there. So awesome. I'm going to go put these with the hair stuff. I think I tied her. There she is. All right, so I'm gonna go and put this back inside the closet. I'm gonna put my hair stuff where it goes, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so here is what we were able to accomplish. So this is where that one box was that only had bags and boxes in it. That right there is my scarf drawer. This is now my new accessories box. I'm so excited. I have hair bows, and look, I have more necklaces. I love necklaces, so I'm gonna have to go through that. I will be going through this. This is the hair stuff. We will get to that and that another day, but you know what? I still feel extremely proud of that. And up there is my jewelry. Right here is where I hang all my other jewelry. As you can see, it's there. I will eventually find a better place for it. But yeah, that's what we did. Thank you so much for watching and helping me organize my accessories, even though I'm not all the way done. So if you want to see more videos from me, I picked out a special one just for you. It's on the right. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Just hit my face right there on the left and hit the bell notification icon if you want to get notified the next time I have a video come out. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.